Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Thank you all so much for your hard work on USA Test Prep. Also, thank you to those who've posted some amazing Seesaw videos. I really enjoy those because I get to hear your voice, and some of you show your faces, so it's good to hear from you and see you. USA Test Prep, if you go back in, you'll see I made some comments on some people. If you maybe struggled with something a little bit, or I gave you some compliments as well. So go back in there, and if you can redo any of those problems, give those another shot. Today, Thursday, and tomorrow, or I'm sorry, today's Wednesday. Today, Wednesday, and tomorrow, Thursday, your USA Test Prep assignment is equivalent fractions. So we're going to quickly review some of that right now. Remember, when you are finding an equivalent fraction, you are really multiplying or dividing by 1. Just like you would multiply the number 4 by 1, you're still going to get 4. So here we're going to look at the fraction half. If we multiply it by a fraction that equals 1, here we see 3/3, we would get 3/6 because the numerator would be 1 times 3 is 3 and 2 times 3 is 6. And then up here at the top you can kind of see that as an image. You see that half of this is shaded in. Move my camera a little bit there. Half of it is shaded in, and you can also see after I shaded in half, I put in those lines right there, and you can also see that it equals 3/6. The other end of that, you can divide a number by 1. For example, if we had 5 divided by 1, we would get 5. So here we see we have 4/12, and I know that I can divide each of those parts by the number 4. So I use the fraction 4/4 as my 1. Let's look at the numerator. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you can either multiply by a fraction that equals 1 or divide by a fraction that equals 1. Again, if you all have any questions, please feel free to email me. Also on Seesaw, I try to leave some comments, and I see some of you have commented back. Thank you so much for doing that. Try to enjoy this time. Don't get too stressed. If you've been working real hard and you need a little break, take a break. Brain Pop is a great place to kind of learn some things on your own. Hopefully I will see you soon. Again, thank you so much for all your hard work.